Hello guys, today's lecture all about Python and today's agenda is introduction to Python. Then we will see Python installation and environment setup and then Python basics. Okay, so let's start introduction to Python. So see, first we need to understand what is programming because Python is also a programming language. So see, programming means giving instruction to a computer to perform task. See, computer is a dumb machine. Computer never understand whatever you are typing in English or anything. It only understand binary language. So programming language is a some English instruction which is converted to machine language by compiler. So Python is a programming language which is used to write some instruction to perform some task, right? A computer only understand instruction written in programming language. So computer only understand instruction written in programming language. These instruction are called programs or code. So the instruction which you will write also known as program or code. A person who write code is called programmer or developer. So in simpler language, we can say that a programming is a language which is used to write some instruction which help to perform some basic task. Okay, so a real life example, suppose a person which is used to first wake up, then brush teeth, then eat breakfast, then go to office. So these are step by step procedure. So anyone never go to office first before wake up. So first wake up, then go to office. So this is step by step procedure. So programming language is also step by step procedure we need to define in programming language. So these are step by step instruction. So first you need to perform wake up, then brush, then breakfast, then go to office. So this is the step by step procedure. So in programming language, so we need to perform step by step procedure. Okay, so simple Python program is hello world. So this is a way to print in programming Python hello world or whatever you want to print on the screen. So let's see on the screen. So print and write whatever you want. So let's run this. So output is hello world. So let's print another thing. Print Gaurav Kumar. So it will print hello world then Gaurav Kumar. So this is a way to print data on screen with the help of Python. Okay. Why programming is important? So programming is very important to build mobile applications, websites, games, banking app system, AI tools, social media, and automation. So whichever software or application you are using in your mobile phone, desktop, or laptop is basically made in some programming language in Python, Java, C, C++, and etc. So types of programming language we have low level language like assembly language which is close to machine, and high level language is Python, Java, C++. So high level means human can understand. High level human can understand like English. So all the programming language written in English. So Python and Java, C++ written in English. C. So this is a print statement. This is also a programming statement which is in the form of English. So this print is the English word. So this is high level language. Okay, because low level means computer only understand 0 and 1. Assembly language is binary language only. Okay, so why Python is popular in industry? Because Python is most popular language in the world. Companies using Python like Google, Netflix, Instagram, Spotify, YouTube's. Okay, reason of Python popularity: easy to learn. So it is too much easy for the learning purpose. Readable syntax, huge library supports, used in multiple fields, large community support, and cross-platform. Cross-platform means it will run in any operating system or any PC like Windows machine, Macintosh machine, Linux machines. So we have different operating system. So you can run anywhere this program, any operating system machines. And large community support. Too many developer are there in this Python programming, so you can get help easily. And multiple fields like machine learning and web development, backend development. So too many different multiple field which is using Python language. Huge library, there are multiple library in Pythons like NumPy, Panda for machine learning purposes, and very easy and readable. Anyone can learn this. Okay, so easy syntax. C. If is greater than 18, then print alert. In Java or C++, so we need to write some curly braces and other things. But here you can directly write this and it will print adult. Okay, so this is a if statement, which is a conditional statement. We will see later. And application of Python is used in many industries and technology. And see, artificial intelligence is the widely used this Python language. And then data science and data analytics, then web development, automation example. Okay, advantage of Python: beginner friendly, less code, huge library, close platform, and large community supports. Disadvantage: slower than C++ and huge memory uses. And okay, so next thing is Python installation and environment setup. So first you need to open your Chrome and type Google and write Python download. Okay, so official website will come. Then open this, and this is, you need to click on download section and all release. Then you need to download. If your machine is window, then you need to click on window, and this is the stable release, so you need to download here. So download window installer 64 bits, so it will download automatically. So download successfully, then you need to click on this, then you need to click double, so double click, and then so we have already Python in my machine. So you need to double click and then it will automatically install. So then you need to go to cmd command prompt, open the command prompt, then you need to type mm, Python version. So the version is 3.143. So when you type Python space hyphen version, then it will show its version, then it will successfully downloaded. Okay, so Python download successfully, then you need to open your VS Code, or let's suppose you need to download first VS Code, Google, then download VS Code, then first website will come and download for window. So you need to click this, then it will download automatically, and then after downloaded you just need to install, and VS Code also install in your machine. Okay, so let's wait. Download successfully, then click, double click. Setup has detected means I already downloaded VS Code, so I don't need to download again. So VS Code downloaded already, just you need to open a folder here. So there is a folder section, and you need to create folder, then select folder. So folder selected successfully, and then just click here and click here, then name the file name, file1 dot, you need to write py, so it will detect this is a Python file. Okay, so file created successfully, so just write some statement in Python. Hello, hello world, then it will print hello world on screen. So run again, so hello world printed on screen. Okay, so this is a way to install Python and install VS Code. Okay, so next thing is Python syntax. Python syntax basically it require indentation. So if you write if is greater than 10, then you need to indentation the next statement, because indentation require where the statement write after if or in while loop. So indentation means some space in the next statement. So basically four space is required. So here age greater than 10, you are older than 10 year. So this means print statement inside the if block. So print statement inside the if block. If you write this here, this means print statement not inside the if block. Okay, so you need to write inside the if block, then you need to give four spaces. Okay, which is a indentation. Okay, let's run this. So first you need to create age variable as well, is equal to 11, then it will automatically understand. Then here you are older than 10 printed successfully. Okay, so you need to taken care of indentation. If you want to write statement inside block, if block, while block, and whatever we will see later section, all of these things, if block, while loop, for loop, and do while loop, these are the topic in later section, so you don't need to worry about. Okay, so this is simple rule you need to remember. Python support indentation to write statement inside the block. Okay, otherwise it will give error. So comment in Python, so see. Okay, let's print something on the console screen with the help of Python. So hello, it will print hello on the screen. So hello printed on the screen, and let's write another thing, print Ramesh. So it will print hello, then Ramesh. And if you want to that some statement will not execute, some statement will ignore. So you need to write inside comment. So comment to write comment, just you need to write hash symbol. So hash symbol is used for comment. So first you need to write hash, then statement, then it will ignore. Compiler will ignore this, then it only print hello. So Ramesh, print Ramesh ignored. So this is a way to write comment. Comment is basically use some English purpose to, if you are a programmer and you write some software, and you, then next programmer will come, then next programmer will read your comments and understand whatever the statement will do. So uh, above line print hello. Now I understand that what above statement will do. Okay, let's write another comment. Print 10 plus 20. So now we need to write comment. This statement, so this statement is used for add to number. So now I understand what this statement will do and what this statement will do. So hello 30. So this line ignored by compiler, and this line also ignored by compiler. So this is the comment which is ignored by compiler. Okay. So next thing is keyword. Keyword in Python. So there are several keywords in Python. If and else, for, while, true, false, none, class, def, and return. So these are keyword. Keyword means reserved word, which are reserved by Python. So these are some example of keywords in Python. So there are several keywords in Python. Let's suppose if you want to know keywords in Python. So total keyword in Python. Total keywords in Python. So approximately 39 total keyword, include 35 standard reserved keyword and 4 soft keyword. Okay. So we have total 39, and 39 standard reserved keyword and 4 soft keyword. Okay. So these are keywords: true, false, and none, and or not is in, then control flow keywords. So these are several keywords, and soft keywords are these four are soft keywords. Okay, in Python. So total keyword in Python 39. Then next thing is variable. So this is the main important variable. So variable is used for assigning some value. So in programming language, so we have some data and we want to store somewhere. So variable is used to store data, and variable is a name which is used to store some value. Okay, let's declare some variable a equal to 10. So a is a variable which is used to store 10. Okay, so let's print a. So now 10 printed successfully. So and if you want to check type of this variable, then you need to write type, then a, then it will print int. So this is a integer type. Okay, and this is also a variable. You don't need to tell the type of variable, Python automatically understand. So we say that Python is a dynamic type, so it automatically understand. It is not static type. Python automatically understand the type of variable. Now this is another variable of float type. So now the type of the variable is float. So let's print this. Then it will print 10.24. Okay. let's take a big float. Okay, and remember one thing, Python can store very big number very easily, but in Java and C++ it only store up to 64 bits, but in Python you can store very large number as well. There is no worry about C. It will store very large number, no worry. Python have a library which can store very large number C. This is too large and it prints successfully. Okay, but in C++ it will not work. So Java can store very large number. So let's create another variable. So this is a text. Here inside a we are storing a text. So this is a string type. Okay, let's print. Then it print go now. Let's check the type of a. Then it will print string type. So this is a string type. Okay, so let's create another variable. So this is a boolean variable which is false, so it is a boolean type. Okay, and this is a string type. So this is also a string, not a character. In Python this is a string, but in Java and C++ this is a character. So remember this as well. Okay, so here we complete first section. So thank you for watching. Thank you.